Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring scenes are in build settings so Unity can load them. This is crucial. Once done, add a UI button to the canvas and create a C# script. In that script, include Unity Engine, scene management at the top, then write a public method that calls scene manager. Load scene, scene name, or load scene, scene index. Do this now so you have the callable method ready. You'll wire it to the button in the next step. You now attach the script to a game object that the button can reference. Next, select the button, open the on-click list, click the plus, and drag the game object that holds your script into the slot. Then select the public load method you created. If the method uses a serialized field for scene name or index, make sure to type the exact scene name or correct index. This direct wiring is simple and avoids extra code for basic scene changes. You're at the finish line. Press play and click the UI button to confirm the scene loads. If the scene doesn't change, make sure the scene is included in build settings and that the name or index you supplied matches exactly. Small typos break it. Also ensure the script component is enabled. If problems persist, open the console and look for errors and add debug. Log inside your load method to verify the method executes. This single tip quickly reveals wiring mistakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.